Think math.
We have to find the mean from the frequency table alone. But the table holds no individual values at all, only classes and frequencies. How do you average what is not there? Before reaching for a memorized formula, look again at what a mean is. A mean is everything added up, divided by how many there are. So we need exactly two things: the total and the count. The count is already in the table since adding the frequencies gives the total frequency. The only problem left is rebuilding the total. We rebuild the total with the class marks from last time. If 5 people sit in a class whose mark is 145, treat all 5 as 145 and add it 5 times. Do that for every class and collect it all, and you have a total. A total built out of stand-in values rather than real ones. Adding the same value again and again is multiplication. Instead of writing 145 5 times, write 145 times 5. So each class contributes its mark times its frequency, and adding those gives the total. That is where the top line of the formula comes from. Now put the two pieces where they belong. On top, the sum of mark times frequency. Underneath, the total frequency. That is the mean from a frequency table. Nothing new was learned. The old definition, total over count, has simply been rewritten in the language of the table. So this is a formula to read, not to memorize. With no values, rebuild the total from the stand-ins and get the count by collecting the frequencies. Next time, the picture this table turns into: the histogram. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.